Hey, I want to show you a fast and easy way to come up with a business name and a website domain name. Watch this video to find out how. Now before we get started, make sure you like this video, share this video, subscribe and click that bell icon so every time I bring out a new video, you'll be notified right away. This way you'll be updated with the latest information so you don't miss a beat. Hey, it's Chip Hine with HindeSights, and I just wanted to show you a really quick and easy way you can come up with a company name and a web domain name pretty easily. So I want to show you this really cool site. It's called HindeSights.com. Pretty easy. All you really have to do is type in a name or just even an idea. So let's try that real quick. Western Systems. And then we're taken suddenly to this list of 4,993 available .com domains. And this is just .com. If you want to do .net, .io, there's all sorts of them. And this gives you some ideas randomly attached to it. You could do Western System Club, Western System Markets, Get Western Systems. I mean, there's just tons of different ideas here. You can go through this and come up with all sorts of really interesting ideas. Change words around. So this is a fun tool. So take your time, just try plugging in different words, different names, and you'll come up with all different types of things. There's all sorts of different tools too here to help you be able to sort and sift and figure out maybe what works best for you. I know I've had a hard time coming up with website names, either for clients or for myself, or even a business name. This is a great tool to be able to do that. And then once you find something that you like, you can go right here and even register your domain right away and get the ball rolling on setting up a website. How cool is that? Well, this has been a quick video on how to set up a domain name or a business name real quick, real easily. HindeSights.com. Check it out. More resources are available at HindeSights.com on a resource tab. If you have any other cool ideas for how to generate a business name or a website, we'd love to hear about them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you next time. Was any of this information helpful? If so, let me know in the comments below. And also make sure you like this video, share this video, and subscribe and click that bell icon so every time I bring out a new video, you'll be notified right away. This way, you'll be updated with the latest information so you don't miss a beat. Also, if you want to learn how to make money online legitimately, the right way and properly, visit HindeSights.com and learn step-by-step how to do that. Or click the link in the description to get started. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video.